Transversal, a line which cuts across one or more other lines. The classic case of the use of a transversal is the parallel lines cut by a transversal, where the transversal is a line which is drawn across two parallel lines at an angle. In fact, a transversal can be drawn across any other line or lines, whether they are parallel or not. The parallel lines cut by a transversal is exciting because the 8 angles created produce so many interesting relationships. The word transversal, roughly speaking, trans means to cut across and versal means a line. In parallel lines or non-parallel lines cut by a transversal, the 8 locations have names including alternate interior angles, same-side interior angles, alternate exterior angles, same-side exterior angles, corresponding angles, adjacent angles, and supplemental angles, just to name a few. Parallel lines cut by a transversal set up 2 types of relationships between all these angles. Either they are equal or they are supplementary, which means they add or sum to 180 degrees. Given parallel lines cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal, same-side interior angles are supplementary, alternate exterior angles are equal, same-side exterior angles are supplementary, vertical angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary. A transversal is a line which cuts across the 2 or more lines, parentheses, often parallel lines and parentheses, at an angle, creating intersections which have 4 angles each. Related words: alternate interior angles, same-side interior angles, alternate exterior angles, same-side exterior angles, vertical angles, corresponding angles, adjacent angles, congruent angles, supplementary angles, parallel lines, non-parallel lines.